Everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I'm going to introduce you the new product, the paging system TD162, and this is the package inside, so it will protect the pagers very well, so you don't need to worry about damage. And these are the items it includes. As you can see, the menu, the charger, and the charging base with the keypad. The keypad is touchable, and this is the pager for this product. And as you can see, this is the DC for the charging, and the part to put the pagers in. But make sure you make it correct, because this is the charging part and this is the charging part. And you can see it's very small. Besides, in the frequency is 433 megahertz, so you can feel free to use it. The range is about 400 meters in an open area, so it's long enough for you to use for the small restaurants and any other areas which you may need it. And for this pager, it has the battery 300 milliamp, and so it can stand by for 20 hours. You don't need to worry about now out of battery. Besides, for this product function, it includes 10 pages and support 998 pages maximum. And you can also shut down all the 10 pages by one press, and it's very convenient. And the prompt time is from 1 second to 250 seconds. And this notice mode is 7 modes for the flash, the vibration, and voice notice, so you can combine any as you want. I will tell you how to operate in my next video, so you can check that. By the way, if you want to know more or have any questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com, and our website is www.retekess.com. Thank you so much.